Hello everybody, hope you're all doing well as always. I haven't done one of these for quite a while, as per usual, normally what I do. Yeah, sorry about that, but just going to talk about a few things I've done to my bike, as you probably, some of you that have seen my last video would have noticed my bike has had a few little changes in the last few months. Some of you that were looking, well, as you'll see in a minute, looking in my last videos will notice I'm not putting the clutch in. Yeah, spent quite a bit of money, in other words. So right, where do we start? Right, I've had a Rapid Bike Evo power commander fitted and a Rapid Bike, well, Rapid Bike quick shifter, I believe it's called, which obviously all work as one unit. They got fitted probably 2 months ago now. So yeah, got that done and I'm loving it, to be honest. Yeah, it's a lot of money just so I could have a quick shifter, and I know you can go the quick shifter route without power commander, but I wanted a power commander because obviously I've got an exhaust, I've got K&M filters, all that. With the power commander will, well, once it's all kind of learned the system and that, it will kind of sort itself out and smooth it out, which it kind of already has. Initially it was a bit crazy when I first got it. Seemed, well, when I felt it, I don't know if that was just because I wasn't used to a power command, a quick shifter, but it made the bike feel stupidly quick, like ridiculously fast. But now I've kind of done a few hundred miles with it, got used to it. It's, yeah, I really do like it. So yeah, I'd highly recommend, if you're looking at power commander quick shifters, Rapid Bike Evo is the one that I got. You can get a Rapid Bike Racing, but it works out I think about £150 more, and in my opinion, for what I want it to do, it's not worth it. It's really not worth it. I'm not a racer. I do occasional track days. I don't need the extra stuff that the racing does. Like, I mean, you can do tons more with it, but what's the point? I don't need it. But yeah, it's quite cool. Like, it goes into gear without the clutch, obviously, super smooth. It's like you pulled the clutch in, but obviously not. It's great. It's really nice. Other things I've done, I've fitted Samco radiator hoses like what I had on my old DRZ. If any of you guys remember me having a DRZ 400 Supermoto, if not, go back to my old videos, you'll see it. I've got the red radiator hoses exactly like one on the DRZ essentially, because I think they just look really cool, and yeah, obviously it helps with the cooling of the bike. I can imagine it helps a little bit, not like a great deal, but it does help, so it says, but you're never gonna be noticing a massive difference with it, but whatever. It's not really crazy hot in England at any point. Occasionally we get days where it's really hot, but it's not a massive problem with heat over it, as I'm sure most of you are aware. So yeah, it's not a massive issue really, but it's quite nice to have, and they look quite cool and almost looks very Street Fighter-ish now, which is nice. As you can see, it feels nice and quick, which is quite what I like. Another thing I have been doing, well, I'm in the process of doing, is oh, didn't want to do that. Yeah, another thing I'm in the process of doing is I'm trying to find the GSR 750 stickers, like the factory stickers which are on the bike, the GSR and the 750 ones, in the red colour, because now that I'm kind of adding a few little red bits to my bike here and there. Don't pull out, good. Yeah, now I'm adding a few little red bits here and there. I kind of want to change the stickers. I mean, I really do like the gold stickers, to be honest. I do like them, but I think the black with the red stickers would just kind of give it a bit more red on the body, because currently most of the red parts are engine, kind of on the wheels, engine where the pipes are. But as you can probably see from here, you got the red stem nut and little bits on their levers. Other than that, that's pretty well it. So I'd quite like to yeah, get them stickers. I'm trying to look into it. I found a place, I think, that can get hold of them, so I'm just kind of holding off. I'm going to go to my local Suzuki garage at some point, speak to them, see what they say about if they can get hold of them or not. God, I love going around corners on this thing. It's great. On any bike, but especially this, I love them. Yeah, pretty much that's it really. I've spent quite a bit of money on her in the last few months, but to be honest, she's getting almost to where I kind of want her to be now. Like, I don't really want to do an awful lot. I want to get some rear sets at some point, a couple other little bits and pieces. Like, I'm debating a bit more carbon fibre, but you can always go too much with carbon fibre, and I've got already a fair bit of carbon fibre. I've got carbon fibre on the tank, carbon fibre exhaust, carbon fibre rear hugger. So yeah, I don't know on that. It's expensive as well, so if I don't like it, it's quite a hard thing to kind of deal with once it's cost you 200 quid or whatever, you know. So I don't know on that one. I'm gonna have a think about it for a bit. But as of yeah, that is pretty well how I want it to be, if I'm honest. Like, I really do like the way it looks at the minute. I think it just looks, with what I've done so far, yeah, it looks really good. Spent a lot of money doing it, but now I've kind of got it to where I want it to be. Yeah, I'm happy. Maybe now as well, I don't know if I've ever mentioned in previous videos, I wouldn't mind doing a cafe racer build at some point. Maybe now, once my bike's kind of how I want it to be, I could start saving a bit of money up to get myself a little 125 or something like that as a starter kind of build, because I really do like Jish's. Don't know if any of you are aware of Jish's channel. I've been following him a couple of years now, but I think you're fine. He made, well, he's recently finished a CB125 cafe racer build. It was up at the bike shed a few weekends ago. Absolutely stunning, really nice build. Like, the guy is awesome, really cool guy as well. Like, I've not met him personally, but I've spoken to him a bit online and that. Not an awful lot, but a little bit. But yeah, that bike is something else. It's a really good looking bike. So maybe I could do something like that at some point. I'd like to do. So maybe now, yeah, maybe now my bike's kind of almost there. Put a bit of money aside towards that. Which would be quite cool. Other than that though, that's pretty much, yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to really say today. Got a few little subjects I want to talk about in possible in other videos, but I'll leave them to other videos. I'm sure this video is already long enough, and yeah, I don't want it to be boring. It probably is, but whatever. I enjoy doing it, so that's what the main thing is. The people that like my videos as well, you're awesome, so I'm happy for that as well. But yeah, anyway, I hope you all have a good time until my next video, and stay safe, and yeah, take it easy, people.